again on another camper van capers, and this time we've got about a week to kill, and we were discussing where we wanted to go. We couldn't quite decide, to be honest. We looked at the weather forecast for the UK and it looked okay, and then we looked at the weather forecast for France and that looked a little bit better, so we decided to make the trip down to France. And we are in the Champagne-Ardenne region, and we are the 21st of March, and it is absolutely glorious. There's not a cloud in the sky, the sun is out, and we are parked up in a lovely little spot. There's Bernard underneath his sun awning because it is hot, believe it or not. So yeah, so we're glad we made the trip. It was a little bit of a drive, it's a fair drive to get here, but it was worth it, absolutely worth it. The weather is beautiful, we're having a lovely relaxed time. We went for a walk around the lake earlier and it's beautiful. The lake is just literally down there, 2 minutes walk away from the campsite. So we are having a lovely, relaxed, chilled time in March, in the sunshine, in France. Can't beat it. You all right there, Bernie? And now you've seen our lovely little pot, I'll take you on a little tour of the campsite where we're staying at. And this is the campsite that we stopped at on the lake. It's called Rives Du Lac. It's not the same campsite that we stayed at last year when we came to visit the lake here last year. It's on the other side of the lake. The reason we're staying in this one is because it is an ACSI campsite and it's open all year. And here's the main entrance. It's a barrier, so it's all nice and secure. You need the code to get in. Reception just there. Lovely, had no problem booking in at all. We got a map when we arrived and basically it was marked on the plots that you could park up on, and you just chose your own park up. And you come round from reception and straight on your right is the first loo block. There is two, but at this time of year there's just one open, so this is the only one open. Water tap. It's lovely, it's indoors, it's covered. Men's loos, men's shower room, disabled facilities. This is your washing up sinks, hot and cold running water, clothing sinks, hot and cold running water, washers and dryers, and then in here is the ladies' loos. Let me just have a look, see if there's anybody in there. No, nobody in here, so we're okay. Pretty basic loo block, pretty standard French loos. No seats, not uncommon in France, but very clean, so that's all that counts really. And then next door is the shower room. It's got a sink unit, it's got some showers, it's got sinks. Only a couple open at this time of year because it's out of season. Absolutely fine, very serviceable showers. Hot and cold running water. Don't need any more than that. Awesome. And then round the corner you've got your bins and your bottles and your chemical toilet disposal. Perfect. And it's all very green, it's all very leafy, and it's nice that the sinks and things are indoors, especially this time of year, and it is heated in this block as well, so it's nice and warm. Campsite entrance.
Yeah. I was after going over the bridge last night.
Yeah, what? Am I the one with no head? I'm headless. I'm like a headless chicken. I'll have a little walk down here. So, there's the campsite. And let's go this way. There's a pizza place there. I don't know whether that's open at the moment. Let's go and have a little walk down to the lake, which is literally 2 minutes out of the gate of the campsite. Oh, look at that, Bernie. Okay, so it is March, so pretty much all this stuff's closed. All the adventure stuff. Lots of parking spaces. And this is a little beach. There's Bernie, sat on the beach in March in this beautiful, beautiful sunshine. Oh, he's got a stone in his shoe. Beautiful. Big, huge lake. So we're just going to go for a nice, leisurely, lovely walk in the beautiful March sunshine around the lake. And this here is the cycle route, Rives Du Lac. And basically this cycle route goes all the way around the lake. So it's pretty flat, it's all lovely. So if you like to get on your bike, pretty perfect, and it goes all the way to Troyes, which is a big town nearby. Just a lovely little route, and we're going to have a little walk around it. Through the woods. And all you can hear is the birds. I broke my foot in the middle of a French forest. So peaceful. Bernie thinks he saw something in the puddle. It might have been a frog. Seeing if you can see it. It's a toad! Wait a minute. Don't poke him.
No, just move underneath so you can see him.
There he is, look. It's a frog. He's in the water. He's hiding. Awesome. Good spot, Bernie.
There's another one over here.
Is there?
See, there's a bubble.
Oh yeah.
Somewhere he is.
They're living in the puddle.
I think they'd best hurry up.
Yeah, it's not going to be a puddle for much longer.
It's not going to rain for another couple of weeks.
I know. Just us here, Bernard. We have a whole forest to ourselves. What do you think? Perfect time of year to come. The sun is just starting to get high enough to be warm on your back. So warm, in fact, that I'll let Bernie hold. No jumper! Yeah. The good weather's coming! We found a lovely spot by the lake after our walk through the woods. And it's brought us to this lovely clearing, and it's right on the lake.
It's a lac.
Sorry, lac.
When in Rome.
Literally right to the lac's edge. Fantastic sunshine. And this is calm ripple, and this is perfect if you had a canoe or a kayak or something, because you could just walk it straight out. Beautiful. perfect spot for a bit of lunch, Bernard.
It's a perfect spot for a fishing rod, I think.
It is. It's perfect for fishing. Well, you're right. You can just sit on the edge there and fish. And we've even got our own little chair.
So that's perfect for you, a little footrest.
I know. Oh, it's lovely. That was worth it, little trek through the forest, wasn't it? Just to find this little spot. Nobody else here. Just us. Was at the lake. And beautiful spring sunshine. Bernard.
Camouflaged.
Camouflage. What's
The
that?
snakes can't find me now.
Yeah, I think you might need a little bit more camouflage than that. Ah, it's falling out. Yeah, that's better. You've got to go in the reeds. That's it, Bernie. I can't see you at all. No, absolutely not. You nut job. Oh dear. Who do you think you are, like Gandalf with your staff? You need to stop like this, Bernie, and go, "Thou shalt not pass." You have no idea what I'm talking about, do you? Bernie has no idea what I'm talking about. He knows nothing about Lord of the Rings at all. But he looks pretty good with the staff. Ah, that's our protection from the wild boars in case they decide to charge us. And we've seen their rutting paths where they've been digging and rutting, so they're definitely here.
You go looking for truffles?
My sense of smell's not good enough. You've got to have a really good sense of smell for truffles, and you've got to be a pig, Bernard. I think. Mind you, yeah, I'm going to say they've trained dogs to do it now, aren't they? Yeah. There we are. Look, and there's the end of the path. It is. We've come all the way to the end of the little sticky out island. Beautiful.
Who's been rummaging?
Yeah, that's pigs, isn't it? Lovely.
They're rummaging the way down for a drink of water.
Yeah, to the lake edge. Gorgeous. LAC D'ORIENT in Champagne in March. Oh, why would you want to be anywhere else?
Because they've got air conditioning. I was thinking of a pub. They don't call them pubs here, but you know what I mean.
No, shall we go and see if we can find a salon?
Well, with aircon.
Yeah.
They're in the south. Yeah.